Boom, that's nasty. We're gonna clean that up. So if we turn this on, you look, there's just 3 buttons. It's real simple. Press this button to switch the modes. That's cold temperature setting. This is the hot temperature setting. This is just fan manual. So the way they operate the unit is basically you turn on your whatever you want to set tune for. So you turn on the AC and you go to that first section that tells you your current temperature. See what the temperature is coming out of the AC. And then you match that temperature on your AC temperature setting. Or for example, the same thing with the heat, you would match that temperature with the heat setting so that it knows once the vent reads that temperature that it needs to turn on to assist. Now, this whole video wasn't sponsored. I paid for this out of my own money, and I've been using this in my bedroom for almost a year and a half. This has been amazing and a game changer for temperature regulating in the room, whether it be in the summer months to get it cooler at night or in the winter to make sure it's warm up there. It's honestly really good. One thing to note is the sizing. You should take the existing vent that you want to replace off and measure it. As you can see, this was just like a temporary installation for the video. It's not where I put it ultimately, but you could run into a situation where you have maybe somebody painted over and there's some exposed previous paint underneath there. It's not going to look good. So